So this 38 years old mother and wife was on a staycation with her family, her husband and two sons, 8 and 12. She went to the hot tub, saw two underage boys, they were 15, started a conversation with them stating that her husband, they're having marital problems. She exchanged Snapchat with the boys. Then later on the night, she hit them up, asked if she could stay with them because the argument continued with her husband. She went to their room, three boys were there, and she engaged in sexual activities with two 15 years old boys, and one kept watch. What kind of perverted shit is this? When I say the world is fucked up, this is what I mean. So this POS, fuck it, this piece of shit, 26 years old, work as a coach and a teacher at a private high school in Central Florida. I would say he abused his power. Many of you would agree. He contacted a female student whose age is 17, picked her up from school, brought her to a dollar store where he bought alcohol, gave her to drink, and then engaged in sexual activities with her in the restroom of the dollar store. After which, he gave her more alcohol and they had sex again in the parking lot. Then he took her back to school at the pickup area. Then her mom picked her up and recognized that, nah, she's acting strange, she's acting funny. What's going on? She said nothing. Her mom further investigated, and that's when she saw the messages from the piece of shit. The daughter confessed to the mom. Now, this piece of shit said it's normal in his culture to have sex with young girls. That's what he told her. He also said it was consensual. Put him underneath the jail. Listen to this bullshit.
Have you ever rejected someone so they keep trying? Yes or no?
Oh, okay, yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Say why so they know.
Because it's fun. It's a game.
That's fucked up.
Have you ever rejected a man specifically to test his determination to winning you over?
Yes, 100%.
So then how does no always mean no?
It doesn't. No can mean yeah.
Well, that's confusing.
No can mean yeah, and yeah can mean no. Just depends on how you say it.
Well, you won't get the chance to reject me twice. You see this bullshit? No always mean no. And yes, sometimes you gotta be cautious with it because we live in a complicated world. Don't follow this bullshit, guys. Ladies, don't be this complicated. Be straightforward. It's always nice when you have a great relationship with your kids, but some parents, they take it too far, and that's what this mom has done. Well, I don't know what to think. So this mom and son collab. This mom has her son record her corn videos for her OnlyFans account. What kind of fucked up shit is that? This son is okay with seeing his mom getting banged right in front of his... I can't even imagine my mom and my... No! We live in a fucked up world with some crazy ass people.
I'll pay your rent. Your faithful lover. Oh, baby.
Now, what's wrong with this relationship? Nothing. In my opinion, I see two people getting what they want. A young lady getting financial stability, an older guy getting some young vajiji, and he looks happy, she looks happy. It's a fair exchange. I remember when I found out that my girl was cheating on me. I was devastated. It's been 2 years and I still feel an ache in my heart. The idea of someone else's eggplant inside my girl's vajiji. It's just heartbreaking. So I just can't imagine how those males feel that are in open relationship, swingers relationship, like knowing that your wife is getting her back blown out by multiple men. Yo,